Welcome to the Introduction to Lean Manufacturing course. Shortly, what is lean manufacturing? Lean manufacturing refers to the fact that we can and must always find better solutions to obtain goals while using fewer resources. Lean aims for perfection. A Japanese guru in Lean said at one point, "It's easy to make money when everyone does it. The important thing is to be able to obtain profit when times do not allow it." An increase in production volume does not necessarily mean a reduction in unit cost, as a decrease in volume does not always mean an increase in the unit price. These links are the result of a faulty organization. During this course, we will make an introduction to the lean manufacturing concept, pointing out important moments in the history and development of the concept over time. We will understand the difference between lean manufacturing and traditional manufacturing, between the lean concept and the traditional organizational concept. We will understand the principles and the steps to be followed in lean manufacturing. We will discuss the purposes of lean manufacturing. We will understand what waste means in lean manufacturing. We will identify the values and the benefits of implementing lean manufacturing. We will anticipate where difficulties may come from in implementing lean. And finally, we will compare and understand the similarities and the differences between the three most famous theories of improvement: lean manufacturing, theory of constraints, and Six Sigma. In the next few minutes, we will find out what the concept of lean manufacturing means and who initiated and developed it. The main idea behind lean manufacturing is to maximize the value delivered to the client, minimizing losses, and thus achieving excellence in production. By eliminating waste throughout the entire production process, removing it at isolated points, companies can get processes that will require less human intervention, less space, less time to produce higher quality, and will cost lower than the traditional method. In more complex terms, lean manufacturing is a systematic approach to identify and eliminate waste continuously to improve all the processes through which the product goes until it reaches the client. Lean is also a mindset, a way of thinking, a commitment to obtain full activity without waste. This is achieved through simplification and continuous improvement of processes in an environment characterized by trust, with the full involvement and respect of the employees. Lean manufacturing is a philosophy about people, simplicity, about flow and transparency, about value, a partnership in which the customer is the most important. Lean focuses on lowering costs and stocks, on sustaining growth by improving the productivity and quality, on reducing delivery time, and on unlocking the resources. The term lean is used in the name of this concept because the Japanese business model used less human effort, less capital investment, space, materials, and time during all of the production process. Where does the lean manufacturing concept come from, and what is the history behind it? Many people believe that lean concepts and practices have been developed for the Toyota production system, and they are right, just that the history behind the concept is a little more rich. Henry Ford was the first to truly integrate an entire production process. We approach the lean concept and its history, but what is the difference between traditional production and lean production? To help companies in transition to lean production, James Womack and Daniel Jones developed a 5-step process detailed in their book, Lean Thinking. The 5 steps represent a complete cycle of improvement and are the foundation for a successful implementation of lean philosophy within an organization. The main idea of lean is simple. Organizations should be obsessively concerned with eliminating waste and creating the most effective ways to add value to products and services delivered to their customers. The 5 steps are: 1. Define and identify value. 2. Map value stream. 3. Create flow. 4. Establish pull. 5. Pursue perfection. In lean manufacturing, there are 4 basic purposes. A former president of Toyota once said, "The key of the Toyota method is not in any of the individual items, but what is important is the gathering of all these elements in a system. It must be practiced every day in a very consistent way, not burst." Also, lean guru Jim Womack said, "Just as a carpenter needs a vision of what to build in order to get the full benefit of a hammer, lean thinkers need a vision before picking up our lean tools. Thinking deeply about purpose, process, and people is the key to doing this. Remember, lean is not a destination. Lean is a journey." This is the end of our introduction to lean manufacturing. We hope you enjoyed the journey together into the lean manufacturing world. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us, and our expert will answer all questions.